So if we're just taking a look at Soon here on the daily time frame, things gearing up to look very, very nice indeed. As you can see, we're sitting at about 1 cent 25 here right now, or 1.25 cents, I guess you should say. Very, very interesting chart indeed. Obviously, as I said before in my previous videos, I was seeing people start to accumulate massive bags of this down here, and it was sitting at around, what was it, 100, 200k market cap. Very, very small indeed, but a very, very promising project in my opinion. Obviously, launchpads and gaming in general, very, very bullish narratives for this next bull market. And I think Soon is really ticking all the boxes for me there. You can see we had this very, very big spikes followed by dumps, big spike, dump, big spike, dump. But then eventually, obviously, we came up, we did a very, very ridiculous, what are we looking at here? Almost a 40, is it a 40x off this low? Yeah, we're looking at, you know, a 1/10 of a cent here, up to almost 4 cents, we'll say 3.7 cents, so 37x really off these lows. Pretty mad price action. Nice little coil and then a breakdown, back test, and now you can see very clearly on my chart we've got this little trend line which we have broken and back tested here, looking like we might be ready for another move back to the upside, or at least retesting that local swing high. Overall, this chart is just looking absolutely fantastic for me. I've got it on logarithmic scale, obviously. 20 cents, which is the all-time high, is still around a 20x or around 17 or 18x from the current price, which would be a very, very nice gain indeed. But I do think with a market cap that's still only 1 million, I mean, we could easily see this do 100x from here, maybe even beyond in the next bull market. Very, very promising project. People get rewarded for holding the tokens in their wallet and essentially just accumulating loads of launchpad tokens, rewards, etc. Bonuses from having an NFT for holding tokens. Overall, really, really solid project. Very excited to see what happens next. One of my winners for 2024-2025 in my opinion. I'm probably going to hold this for a very, very good amount of time, and it's looking just like it's got a nice clean break and back test right here of this resistance. Probably going to come back and probably head towards that all-time high over the next few months going into the halving. The market cap is so damn low. Once people start funneling and filing into these gaming tokens, we are going to see some very, very big gains across the gaming space, and I do think Soon is positioned well to also benefit from that. This chart is just looking super bullish to me. As I said before, I had orders all the way down here throughout the Fibonacci levels if we came to the downside, but looking like we might be coming back up to make a new local swing high going forward. Not to mention they're burning 70% of the supply of the tokens. My god, this thing is going to be hella bullish. I'm super excited for this year. Let's see what we can do.